with highest honors to deliver a message. Somewhere along the way, I learned that life is not a race to be won, but a story to be lived, a wave to be ridden, and a moment to be felt. Even when the accolades felt hollow, even when the battle between yourself creeps in. When I first heard the line, "Slow down, you crazy child. You can't be everything you wanna be before your time." From the song Vienna by Billy Joel, I didn't realize that I have been that crazy child all along. To our highly respected regional director and concurrent officer in charge, Office of the School's Division Superintendent, Tolentino G. Aquino Cecil III, to Dr. Joel Escaleb, Distinguished Chief of the School's Governance and Operations Division, to Dr. Jonathan M. Gamboa, our dedicated education supervisor in English, to the local government unit headed by Honorable Ramon Benito M. Aquino, and to the counselor in charge of education, Municipal Councilor Honorable Mike B. Hueco, to our committed public schools district supervisor of Moncada North, Dr. Rhea B. Madamba, to our ever-supportive principal, Ma'am Marilyn I. Antalan, Doctor of Education, to our dedicated school parent-teacher association president, Ma'am Gasat Vallejos, to our hardworking faculty and non-teaching staff, our beloved parents, and most importantly, my fellow students, a pleasant morning to all. I stand before you not because I am better than anyone else. Like many of my fellow students, I've also struggled, juggled work, studies, responsibilities, and doubted myself countless times. Someone who questioned if she deserved all of this, if she was good enough, or whether she was truly capable. But you know what's fascinating about it? My dreams are limitless. No matter the challenges, a part of me never lost hope. So instead of being limited by the fear, I soared high and reached heights I never imagined. And now, here I am, truly honored and humbled to stand before you today. I know I'm not the best in everything or has it all figured out, but I am certain of one thing. You can't always be the best in everything, but you can always do your best. This graduation feels like reaching the shore after riding countless waves. Some were gentle and easy to navigate, while others were strong enough to knock us down. There were moments when we felt pressured, overwhelmed, and unsure if we could make it to the end. But somehow, we are all here today, celebrating our achievements and still learning how to ride the waves a little better, to find your balance, and to keep moving forward. As I look back, I realized something deeper. We were never just students trying to survive the waves. We were the waves because every challenge shaped us to become a better version of ourselves and endure the burn that pushes us forward so we could truly shine. We are the very force shaping our own journey, gathering momentum to build strength, the surge, the current, and the crest all in one. At this moment, I want to take this opportunity to thank the people who made this journey even possible. First and foremost, I want to thank my parents, Mama Marife and Papa Jonas. I am not here just because of my achievements, but I can stand here because of all the sacrifices, unconditional love, and unwavering support you've given me. My parents never fail to remind me that I'm doing my best and that they are always proud of what I am capable of achieving. I am so proud to be your daughter, and I hope to continue making you both proud in everything that I do. To my Kuya Christoph and Kuya John, thank you for being my pillars of support and for encouraging me to do my best. To all of my teachers, especially to Ma'am Cha, Ma'am Myra, Sir Jess, and Ma'am Mary Grace, and to all the outstanding teachers of Moncada National High School. Thank you for believing in me, for guiding me, and for shaping my abilities, not just as a student, but as a person. Thank you for being our nurturers who have guided us and supported us over the years. We will always carry the lessons you taught us, not just from the books, but about life, character, and perseverance. To my friends, especially sa Tender Juicy Hotdog, Thea, Kenji, Yen, Ashley, Dayan, Renalyn, Rain, Zabedy, and Jared. Thank you for making my junior high school a memorable one. Sa mga kasama ko lagi pa uwi dyan, Jenny, Richard, Mark, Ryan, Janina, Andrea, Juliana, and Nicole. And to my Minecraft peeps, especially to Kyle Kawagas and Fritz, thank you for the laughter and the memories we shared. To my Ensaima buddies, Jeff and Marcus, maraming salamat sa banding natin. I am surrounded by people who believe in me. But I want to take this moment to give my heartfelt thanks to someone who believed in me since day one. To you, Rich, thank you for your support, for reminding me not to overwork myself, and for believing in me when I didn't have the courage to believe in myself. And most importantly, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our Almighty God for giving us strength and courage to face life's struggles and challenges. Lord, this is more than what I prayed for. You've seen every struggle, every tear, and every silent battle I've fought. Even during I'm at my lowest, when I felt like giving up. This journey was never just so I could say I did it, because it was Him who made everything possible. I've really realized that true happiness doesn't live in titles, certificates, or medals, but in the little things like laughing with my friends or my father's silly jokes, and the love that carries us through our hardest days. There's so much more to life than constantly chasing success and excellence. Life is too fragile to let hesitation steal its moments. So I always remind myself to not be consumed by academic pressure, to not be affected by others' opinions, and to hold faith in myself. Life is indeed short, but it is long enough to be brave, to stumble and get back up, to love fiercely, and most importantly, to truly live and feel life in every moment. So as we stand here at the shore of a new beginning, I hope you remember this, to challenge yourself, to embrace difficult things, and when the fear doesn't fade, do it scared, do it tired, and do it uncertain, because life doesn't wait for anyone else, and you'll never discover the edges of your potential until you dare to move forward. And carry this truth with me, that no matter the fall, light always returns, and we should appreciate how far we've come. So to my fellow completers, as we step into a new chapter of our lives, no matter how hard the path is, whether it is a bumpy road or might as well be a dead end, there's only one way. Keep going and keep moving forward. Life may feel like a never-ending loop, but as we grow, we must spread our wings to discover new opportunities, to dream fiercely, and to walk with hearts full of gratitude for those who stood beside us. Congratulations to us, the 2026 completers of Moncada National High School. May the odds be in your favor. Thank you, and may God bless us all.